Hello. Welcome to AI Factory.
My boss arrived at work in a brand new Lamborghini.
Wow, that's an amazing car.
If you work really hard, put all your hours in, and strive for excellence, I'll get another one next year.
Is the video interesting for you? It is from this channel. This YouTube channel has skyrocketed to 10 million subscribers with its simple yet charming Stickman cartoons. Many of these videos have been viewed hundreds of millions of times. The creators are making a huge profit from this channel every month. Additionally, they also post on TikTok, where their videos have received millions of views as well. Don't miss out on this viral sensation. Check out this channel, and they use similar methods to attract massive traffic. Creating this type of cartoon animation is much simpler than you might think. It takes less than 10 minutes to make an animation like this. Take a look at what I just made in 10 minutes.
I threw a surprise party for my wife.
That's awesome. How did it go?
She was so surprised she thought it was for someone else and left.
Oh, guess you surprised yourself too.
In today's video, I'll show you how to use free AI tools to create this type of Stickman animation in no time. You can share your creations on social media platforms like YouTube and Instagram, TikTok, and go viral. Stay tuned until the end for all the tips and tricks. Let's begin by breaking down the reference video.
So what's your biggest strength? Oh, I have excellent memory. Okay, give me an example of what? You just said you have excellent memory. Oh yeah, I do. How'd you know? Because you just told me. No, I didn't. I would know because I have excellent memory. Okay, then give me an example of what? Are you stupid or are you dumb? No, I'm Jimmy. Okay, we're just gonna move on. Move on where? From the question. What question? The memory question. Nah, I don't think I asked you that. Your memory is dog shit. Yeah, I have really bad memory. Then why didn't you just say that? Say what?
It's quite interesting and funny. Understanding the key elements behind popular videos is essential. The essence of this type of video is in the script. This type of content is low threshold and high traffic. Funny content is easily understood by everyone, making it highly shareable and likely to be forwarded among friends, which boosts video views. Additionally, the comment section of such videos is highly interactive, encouraging viewers to watch the video until the end while browsing comments. The video typically features a simple cartoon Stickman with a basic background. The animation is straightforward, but the Stickman's vivid and magical expressions keep viewers engaged. In summary, this type of video has a high potential for traffic. Let's start. There are 4 steps. Create a script, generate voice, make animation, edit the video. To create a script, open ChatGPT and ask it to write 10 humorous short stories. Quickly provides 10 stories. After reviewing them, I select Story 10, the surprise party. To generate voice, I use 11 Labs, which is best for AI voice. Sign up using your email or Google account. Browse all the voices to choose the ones you like for the 2 characters. I select Will and Liam's voices. Paste the text, then hit generate and download. It's done. There are numerous animation styles available on the market, many of which can be created using AI tools. For instance, animated drawings. This tool can generate various animation effects from static images. Magic Animate. It learns uploaded motion models and makes the images imitate the corresponding motions. Adobe Express. This tool can directly generate animations based on audio. It also offers a resource library with many character and animal models. In this guide, we will show you how to use Adobe Express to create this style of animation. It is the simplest and easiest tool to use. Before using the tool, sign in using your email or Google account. Once logged in, on the left panel, click the plus icon in the upper left corner. Select Quick Action, and then click Animate from Audio. Select Size, change size to 916. In the category dropdown, select All People to find the Stickman character in the resource library. The category contains numerous items available for your use. Click Background. If you choose the green background, you can upload your own image. Alternatively, select one from the available options. Select the Stickman character, Scale it smaller to fit the background, and click Browse under the image to upload the voice generated in ElevenLabs. The tool will then process the animation. Okay, we have 2 video clips. Open CapCut, a powerful video editing tool that you can download or use online. All the links I used will be posted under the video description area, so feel free to get them. Import the 2 videos. Since it is a conversation between 2 men, I need to distinguish the characters. Split the clip based on the dialogue to ensure that the 2 men are talking in order. Click on the top menu stickers and choose a suitable hairstyle to stick on one man's head. Choose another white hair sticker to stick on the second man's head. Because the character is moving with animation, we need to set dynamic tracking for the sticker to change the distance around a center point. Click on the top menu text, select Auto Caption, choose English, and hit Generate to add subtitles. On the right panel, select the font style. I want to add the sound effect at the end. Select the stickers, search for it, and add it to the timeline. Copy the last clip, keep the laugh action of the clip, and trim the remainder. Add the sticker effect on top of it. Then, on the top menu, click on Audio and Music to find the laugh sound effect. Add it to the timeline and trim it. Add transitions to make the video interesting. Finally, add the music. You can use the music from the CapCut library directly. I share ideas with you through a simple example to spark your creativity. After learning these techniques and tips, you'll be equipped with exciting, innovative ideas to build your own viral content. If this video sparked a light in you, smash that like button, hit subscribe, and join our journey to creativity. Can't wait to see you in the next video.